letters, levers, and loops. These are the 3 keys to your lead generation. Hi, I'm Sam from the AJ Mastermind here in very rainy Windermere. I feel like I say that every Wednesday. And in this Whiteboard Wednesday, I'm going to introduce you to this system, which is the 3 L's: letters, levers, and on the next slide, Liam, so it's 4 L's, is going to show you the loops as well. So first of all, the letters. This is a selection of the letters we send out as our lead generation system. I'll just whip through them in case you can't read it. On the market, not on market. Are they pretty self-explanatory? Try again for withdrawn homes that have been withdrawn in the last 2 or 3 years. Showcase, that I'll put that in a different video. Buyer waiting, magic letter, see Julian O'Dell for details. That's a kind of like valuation in your road. Just listed and sold. So it's a selection, as I say. We send out a few more letters than this, but they form the body of our main letter system, if you like. On the other side, we have levers. What is a lever? It's something that makes this work more. So this is like a strong arm, like a I don't know, like a lever, something that takes this and increases its productivity and effectiveness and results. So a lever could be door knocking. If somebody's had 3 letters and then a door knock, the door knock is going to work a lot better than if they haven't got the letters. Agreed? Secondly, I know you're nodding, even though I can't see you. Video sales postcard. This is when we send out a little postcard with, we call it a video sales letter on it, which is usually Phil, but also Tom, saying, oh, you've got a beautiful home, got some ideas about how it could be marketed better, get in touch using this method. And that will be on a little bit.ly link or link shortener on a postcard sent directly to them. Networking, show off strategy. I don't mean to pull a face in with networking. Networking has got its place, but a lot of people spend an awful lot of time and effort and money at a place like B&I. And if you're trying to target the high value homes, that's probably not going to cut it for you. So networking, but very specialised. Show off strategy is when you send a brochure. I think we might have covered this before. Send a brochure of a home you're marketing to a home you'd like to market, with the idea that you're showing up their agent. So you're showing off your marketing, but you're pretending that you want to sell that house. That makes sense. 9-word email. Again, we'll cover that on another video. Buyers club. Guess how many words in a 9-word email, by the way? Buyers club. So VIP buyers club. If you've got something like that, like an early notification, early bird club. If not, then that is a great tool to get a new listing, because we've got about 300 people in our VIP list, and just by saying it's going to go to our VIP list first, and that gets a little bit of feedback, market feedback, price feedback, etc., can really help you win the listing. Novelty delivery, cupcakes, Easter eggs, lots of nice biscuits, nice things that people like to receive. Okay, so you've got those, and now you're on to the loops. So I've just put a few things here, otherwise I'd have too many circles on my page. If you go forward, you'll see that all these link together. So on the market letter can link to the cupcakes can link to the door knock can link to the, it's magic, look at my hand here, the show off strategy. The show off strategy can go to the 9-word email, and the 9-word email can go to the door knock, and then there's one more, I think, oh no, that one, door knock to show off, and then last one is, I think it's that one to that one. Oh, there you go. Video postcard to the door knock. So in other words, these are all intermingled. Nothing works in isolation. Everything needs to work together. It's like saying that you're going to lose weight by only taking bananas out your diet. That's not going to work, is it? You have to, well, maybe you shouldn't take bananas out your diet, but all right, only taking biscuits out your diet. You have to take biscuits out your diet, but you also have to drink lots of water. You also have to make sure you're getting enough fibre, enough nutrients. You also have to make sure that you're doing exercise and getting fresh air and sleeping well and drinking enough water. So no one thing works, does it? Nobody has got the one secret to weight loss. There's no one secret to lead generation. There is a collection of things that you need to do, and that needs to be a system. Now, we teach this system to people like you, independent estate agents who come here to see what Mastermind's all about, but also see what Ashdown Jones is all about. So we have a mastermind called the AJ Mastermind. I'm sure you know all about that by now. But what you might not know about is that we run taster days every couple of months here at the AJ Mastermind, which is actually here at Ashdown Jones HQ. So you get to come and see behind the scenes of Ashdown Jones. You get to come to speak to the team. You'll meet the lovely Edward, who is our operations manager, and Tom, who is our key valuer, And you'll also meet Hannah, who is in charge of our delivery, or a client happiness officer for the group. And me and Phil are here to answer any questions that you have, no matter how insignificant or how big and probing. You can't see here, but we're in our training room at the moment, and on the walls are all our revenue figures. We can tell you about our profitability, our expenses. We can even tell you what wages we pay our staff. There is no question that is off limits. Well, we haven't found one yet, so maybe that's a new challenge for you. All you need to do to book on this day, and by the way, it's free, and yes, there is such thing as a free lunch, and yes, you can bring a partner, a romantic partner or business partner. Just don't bring a member of your team, because these are very high level conversations, and some of the conversations around salary might put you in hot bother. Okay, hot water. So just go to ajmastermind.co.uk/events, and you'll see on that page all the next lot of events that we're going to be running. So we might be running events here at Ashdown Jones headquarters, which is they're the best events, but we do appreciate you might be somewhere else in the country and not be able to get to them. So we're also running some taster events in Birmingham and London and where else? Manchester and places like that. I don't know why I said place like that. 3 biggest cities in the country that hopefully you're near. So if you would like to find out when one of those, coming to a city near you is, all you need to do is just drop me a line at sam@ajmastermind.co.uk, and I'll let you know when we've got some provisional dates booked for the future. But if you'd like to come here, well, we would really like to see you, then please go to ajmastermind.co.uk/events, pop in your regular details, and we'll tell you when the next one is, and we'll send you a nice little invite. So that's it for this Whiteboard Wednesday. Thank you very much for watching. Hope it's not raining where you are. See you on the next one. Bye for now.